Hello everyone, I'm back with another trade using my rinse and repeat approach. That is, looking for tickers that have fired from a squeeze, they have stacked EMAs across 5 time frames, and have aligned histograms across 5 time frames. Using my custom scans, I'm able to easily identify these A+ setups and trade them profitably over 95% of the time, sometimes even 100% of the time. Hello and welcome back. Dr. B here with Ready, Set, Grow. And on this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Check the description for the scans I used in the video, my social media handle, as well as a link to my Discord server. I ran my scans on the 4-hour time frame, and Amazon has my A+ setup. It fired short on the 4-hour. The histograms are all red, that's bearish, and the EMAs are stacked negative on the 5 time frames that I trade. So you know what that means. I need to get puts on Amazon. I want to point out that I am already in Amazon shares. I have 100 shares already, and that's what you see at the bottom. I'm negative on those shares, but I'm going to trade Amazon puts, which is separate from the shares that I already have. And as always, I look for the next week, always in the money or at the money. I am interested in the 112 put for Amazon. And I'm going to confirm and send. I am filled on 25 contracts and I immediately go negative. Within a few minutes, I am positive on Amazon, but I'm holding it because it's jumping all over the place. I'm green by nearly 4%. I'm going to get ready to set my sell order. I am up 5%. I'm going to set my sell order at the mark price of $4.65. Confirm and send. And now I wait until I get filled. My sell order just got filled and I'm all out of the trade with $500 in gains. Over in the server, here's the alert for Amazon, the 112 put, and my entry price. Let's see how members did. We have Manny P, green Amazon, thanks OQ. Tristan, he closed Spot, ARC, and Amazon, thanks Option Queen. I called some of those. And this member, $4,000 on Amazon and Spotify. I love when my members can profit with me. If you're looking for a trading community, make sure you check us out. I'll leave a link in the description for my Discord server. If you're interested in the scans I use to find my A+ setups, I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. If you like my content, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for trading with me today, and I'll see you next time.